Eastport emerges as the latest addition to the Villages, Florida, a sprawling 250-acre development set against the tranquil waters of Central Lake. This isn't just another town square, it's a bold blend of recreation, entertainment, and community life, taking shape in one of Florida's most unique retirement destinations. In March of 2025, 3 distinct phases of its opening have been announced, promising to transform Eastport into a vibrant hub. Here's a bird's eye view of what's unfolding. The Farragut softball complex, they did the middle here so that there can be golf cart parking on both sides, and that will be opening shortly as well. Phase 1 has already begun to carve out Eastport's identity as March 2025. At its core stands Villages Health Eastport Care Center, a modern facility designed to serve the health needs of this community. It has sleek architecture and advanced offerings which signal a commitment to wellness amid Eastport's growing landscape. And that building is up there at the top along Central Parkway on the very south side of the Eastport Town Center. Beyond the care center, Phase 1 introduced a network of trails and pathways tracing the edges of Central Lake. Brick-paved routes invited residents to explore by foot or golf cart, offering glimpses of shimmering water and open spaces. Those paths are open now. You can go around and drive on some of those areas, especially to the western side, along Lakeside. Sunset Island, completed in 2024 and linked by a striking bridge, adds a scenic touch. It's a spot where locals can watch the sun dip below the horizon or catch dragon boat races slicing through the lake. Phase 1 lays a foundation rooted in health and connection, setting Eastport apart. This area is well under construction. Phase 2, expected in late spring 2025, they're talking May, shifts the focus to recreation with the ambitious Olympia Recreation Complex. The massive facility ranks among the largest of its kind in the Villages, promising a haven for active lifestyles. Think about the rock climbing wall and all the things that it's going to offer. A sports pool anchors the outdoor offerings, flanked by pickleball and tennis courts where competition thrives. Open fields stretch out nearby, ready for softball games as casual gatherings. Inside the complex boasts a gymnasium with a towering 20-foot ceilings, ideal for basketball or volleyball, and an indoor rock climbing wall like I outlined earlier, a feature for this community that is nowhere else, really. It's a place built for both exertion and enjoyment. More trails weave through Phase 2, tying the complex to the lakefront. Nearby, the Bel Air 9-hole executive golf course, which we will be taking a look at later, and Central Lake Golf Academy, catered to golf enthusiasts. This phase paints Eastport as a playground for the energetic and social alike. This is the Sophie Doodles, or whatever it's called, dog park here, just so you can see that. Phase 3, which is projected for late 2025, promises to elevate Eastport as a destination of its own. Standout features a waterfront entertainment venue, which we went by, crowned by a stage set against Central Lake. With Sunset Island framing the scene, this venue is poised to host concerts, theater, and community events beneath Florida's starry skies, a spectacle unique to the Villages itself. Nearby Hotel Eastport rises as a 4-story, 120-room retreat. Its design blends modern flair with lakeside appeal, offering a waterfront pool, restaurant, and a lobby bar with panoramic views. It's a draw for visitors and a luxury for residents. The phase rounds out with downtown district, boutique shops, eateries, and cobblestone paths evoking a European charm. From shopping to dining by the water, it's a slice of sophistication. Expanded trails tie it all together, linking Eastport's pieces into a cohesive whole. Phase 3 casts this town square as a cultural and social centerpiece. From above Eastport in March 2025, the scope of this development comes into focus. Phase 1 establishes a base of health and accessibility. Phase 2 fuels recreation with unmatched facilities. And then Phase 3 will crown it with the entertainment and elegance. Plan for this area to be built out. You have Lakeside here. And then across 250 acres, Westport's going to weave together golf, shopping, dining, and community spaces into a striking tapestry. As these phases roll out through 2025, they're shaping a new chapter for the villages, one that's drawing eyes and interest from near and far. This isn't just a town square, it's a bold evolution of a Florida lifestyle unfolding one piece at a time. Since we want to outline some of the golf-specific areas around Eastport, I thought it would be good to talk about Bel Air. It's a 9-hole executive course located in the Eastport area right here. It is just west of the downtown area, opening in spring of 2025. It will be one of the first golf amenities available as part of Eastport's Phase 2 rollout. Primary par 3 holes with some par 4s designed for quick play and accessibility via golf cart, maintained to the village's high standards, obviously offering a mix of challenge and friendliness depending on tee selection. Free green fees for residents and a trial fee for golf cart use. Central Lake Golf Academy is located nearby. It has a practice facility near the Olympia Recreation Complex in Eastport. Also part of Phase 2, expected to be operational late spring 2025, so expect around May time. Includes driving ranges, hitting nets, practice greens, and bunkers, ideal for sharpening your skills or warming up before a round. Compliments of the nearby courses, catering to both beginners and seasoned golfers looking to refine their game. If you're looking for more golf, Beautyberry and Honeysuckle executive courses will be opening. 2 additional 9-hole executive courses planned for the Eastport area, scheduled to open November of 2025, aligning with Phase 3's completion. Features like Bel Air, these feature will mostly par 3s with occasional par 4s. Connected to Eastport's trails for easy golf cart access, they'll add a variety and capacity to Eastport's golf offerings. The nearby golf options in the southern Eastport area, you have the Southern Oaks Championship course, the Laurel Oak Executive course, the Live Oak Pitch and Putt, with much more close by. Golfing context in Eastport, the trails and accessibility with the design emphasizes golf cart connectivity. Over 90 miles of cart paths link its courses to the border of Village's network, making it easy to hop between Eastport's facilities and nearby options like Southern Oaks. The Villages boasts over 700 holes of golf total, with Eastport contributing to a growing share. By 2025, the end of 2025, Eastport alone will have at least 27 executive holes, Bel Air, Beautyberry, and Honeysuckle, plus the Academy. The residents obviously enjoy free play on all executive courses, including Eastport's, via their close to $200 monthly amenity fee. That obviously fluctuates as well. So, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, I really appreciate it. Give us a subscribe, a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.